Hello everybody! Welcome to Decor Tricks channel. A kitchen remodel is a great way to breathe new life into one of the most important spaces in your home. Whether you're planning a complete transformation or just a few thoughtful upgrades, the kitchen is the heart of the home. The right remodel can make cooking, dining, and entertaining more enjoyable. Today, we'll explore some fresh, timeless kitchen remodel ideas that focus on both style and function, helping you create a space that works for your lifestyle and design preferences. Open shelving is a fantastic way to bring both style and practicality into your kitchen. By removing traditional upper cabinets and replacing them with open shelves, you create a lighter, more open space. This design not only makes everything more accessible but also allows you to display your favorite dishes, glassware, or cookbooks, adding personality to your kitchen. For those looking to keep things neat, consider floating shelves or open-faced cabinetry that keeps everything organized yet visible. If extra storage is needed, sleek built-in cabinets offer a seamless solution that doesn't overwhelm the space, keeping the look clean and modern. Incorporating natural materials into your kitchen remodel can bring a sense of warmth and texture to the space. Wood, stone, and bamboo are timeless options that add both beauty and function. Bamboo, for example, is a sustainable material that works wonderfully for cabinetry or countertops, offering durability with an eco-friendly touch. If you're looking to go further with sustainability, recycled glass countertops or reclaimed wood cabinets are great options. These materials not only have a unique character but also contribute to a more environmentally conscious home. Adding plants, whether it's an herb garden on the windowsill or some greenery along the countertop, can enhance that natural feel and bring a bit of life into the room. Lighting is one of the most powerful ways to set the mood in your kitchen, and unique fixtures can become a statement piece in the room. Pendant lights with bold, eye-catching designs can create a focal point above the kitchen island or dining area, adding both style and function. Consider using lighting with adjustable brightness to create different atmospheres, from bright task lighting to softer ambient lighting for evening gatherings. Another great idea is incorporating LED strip lighting under cabinets to illuminate countertops without taking up space. To add even more character, consider accent features like a colorful backsplash or textured walls behind your stove or sink to bring a personal touch to the design. Upgrading to high-end finishes is a great way to elevate the overall look and feel of your kitchen. Custom cabinetry with intricate designs, such as panel-ready appliances that blend seamlessly into the cabinetry, creates a streamlined, cohesive aesthetic. You can also explore cabinetry with glass fronts or unique finishes like matte or satin for a modern touch. Countertops made of luxurious materials like marble, granite, or quartz not only look elegant but also provide durable, functional surfaces that stand up to everyday wear and tear. Adding a stylish backsplash made of mosaic tiles, colorful glass, or even natural stone can bring in texture and create a stunning focal point. Don't overlook the importance of hardware. Sleek handles or knobs in brushed gold, matte black, or brushed nickel can tie everything together and add a subtle, sophisticated touch. Incorporating these high-end details and finishes will help create a refined kitchen that feels both polished and practical, with a timeless charm. A kitchen remodel is all about making a space that reflects your personal style and meets your needs. From open shelving and natural materials to custom finishes and unique lighting, there are endless ways to transform your kitchen into a functional, beautiful space. Whether you're planning a complete overhaul or a few small updates, these ideas will help you create a kitchen that works for you. If you're inspired to start your own kitchen makeover, be sure to explore these timeless trends and make your dream kitchen a reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Decor Tricks for more design tips and inspiration.